But dude, this is so good.
Looks cute, right?
The hall's crazy.
Fire. Let's go take a photo.
I'm about to destroy this.
My throat is sore.
Aquí para arriba.
And then we got some pastries here. Pistachio cream puff. Good morning from Venice. I'm currently in the hotel room, as you can tell. Sorry, it's a mess. I forgot to do the little tour before we moved in, but this is the vibe. It's kind of small. Kind of reminds me of like Japan vibes. Some pineapple that we had this morning. It's very small, but there's a TV. But anyway, I'm gonna stay in the bathroom because the lighting is so much better. Yeah. The plan for today is hit up a bakery, hit up a cafe as usual because the coffee in Italy is miles better. The cappuccino, oh my god, they just know how to steam milk properly. Or maybe it's the milk they use, I don't know, but it's very good. And the espresso, chef's kiss. So we're gonna go. This is my outfits. Yes, cute. That is not a toilet, that is a bidet. I don't even know how to use that. There it is. Okay, let's go.
But dude, this is so good.
Lemon custard.
There's alcohol in it. A little bit of like a rum. It looks amazing though. And we got this one. I don't know what this is. Like a little shortbread. I also have this like anchovy thing. I don't know what it is, but kind of tastes like tomato anchovy situation.
Today we made our way over to Vintageria, which is a secondhand vintage shop here in Venice. I think this might have been my favorite so far. The selection was amazing and the prices were pretty on par with the value of the pieces, in my opinion at least. I tried on so many things, but girl, I don't know if it's just me or like I don't know if I have major body dysmorphia or something because I have no idea what size I am because I'll look at a piece of clothing and I think it'll fit. Like when I'm looking at it, I'm like, okay, that makes sense. And then I go to try it on and it's always majorly either too small or too big.
My allergies are popping off, but it looks cute, right?
I just hear someone sniffling in there.
But anyway, regardless of that, I found so many good pieces here, even though I was literally sneezing the entire time. But it was so fun and the vibes inside the store were so like quirky, but like comfortable at the same time. Hi guys, I just finished shopping at Vintageria Venezia. Dude, the hall is crazy. How do I even show this?
You can put the bag on the ledge over there.
Gorge. Oh wait, gorge. Gorgeous. She added this on for only 10 because I think she saw me contemplating whether I wanted it or not. So she gave me a little deal. And this gorgeous little shirt. Look at the pattern. Beauty. We got this crochet top, kind of like a off the shoulder. I really like this color. And then I got these like two, sorry, my allergies are just so insane right now, I can't. Tank top, the little cami with the beaded detailing. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. And then girl, purple, glittery, shiny, cutie, and then black linen pants, and we don't have to show that because we know what those look like. But yeah, that was the haul. Amazing. Okay, now it's time to go eat lunch. We're gonna go get some pasta. Yay!
looks fire. Okay, it's hot. Let's go. Yay! This looks fire. Oh, we forgot to take a photo. So good. The pasta, fresh pasta, is so good. It's so busy right now. I love it. It's John's turn. Oh my god.
I'm about to destroy this. Yeah, it's so good.
Gas.
Yeah.
Gas. Good morning. Unfortunately, I am out of commission. My throat is sore, my nose is like all stuffed up, a massive sinus headache. I think these allergies are just really bad. John went to get some goodies.
Drugs. Italian drugs. We have ibuprofen. Why do they all look the same? But they have labels on the back.
Maybe the color's different.
But they look exactly the same. So you gotta keep them in there.
This is their ibuprofen. It's a 400 milligram.
Tylenol or acetaminophen. Tachypirina.
Okay. I need to eat something before I take these because my stomach's not gonna like it. But I don't know what to eat. I don't know. Maybe then we can get some soup somewhere. I don't know. Like, I don't think I'm sick. I think I'm just like allergies are really bad. Update. I took a little nap. I'm still feeling really tired and I feel like I wanted to go outside, but then I'm scared that if I go outside, it's gonna like exacerbate my symptoms, and I want to try to rest up as much as I can so I can go out later for dinner because it's Mother's Day and John's mom is here, so we were planning to go eat dinner since she flew in. I think she flew in yesterday, but so right now John's on a mission to go get some lunch for us in the deep streets of Venice. He went to go get some pizza and I kind of wanted some desserts, so I hope he gets some of that too. Probably gonna just eat in the hotel room because I'm just not feeling 100% right now. So sad. Hopefully it's not like actual sickness and it's just like my body's just stressed and tired from walking around all the time and all the allergies. I feel like my body's like inflamed. It's not vibing with my choices right now. So she's telling me like, girl, you need to chill the freak out or else you're actually gonna get sick. Guys, the food delivery came. I'm so excited to try. There's croissants in here for dessert. Okay, that's chocolate cake. I'm eating on a towel, by the way, okay? Oh my god. What? Hey, this is crazy. We're gonna have a feast in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. This looks fire. Yum. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try my pizza. Cheers. This is good. Wow. The bread is so good. I'm revived again. I wish it had like spicy sauce or something. Can you go get it?
Yeah. I'll just go get it right now.
Guys, I finally made it outside. Oh, it's so sunny. It's gorgeous. Basilica. Oh my god. I decided if it's my last day, I better just get up and get out. John's here. He's been outside many times today, though.
I've been delivery man today.
But look how gorgeous. What is that thing in front of it? Are they doing construction?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know.
We decided that the line might be too long for the Basilica, so we're gonna go to the Doge Palace. Doges. Looks cool. Waiting in line. gosh. Stairmaster. Stairmaster who? Hello, my people. It stinks.
It's time for a little aperitivo. So if you didn't know, Venice is known for cicchetti, which is basically like a little snack. There are so many shops that offer them. Like, it's pretty easy to find one. Like, you can literally just walk down any street and there will probably be a bar that sells them. And the one that we went to was a self-service type. So we ordered at the bar and then we take our food to our table. But anyway, we wanted to try a variety of cicchetti along with the Aperol spritz, of course, and something new called the Select spritz. We've never tried it. And it actually has a Venetian origin. So that's why we were like, okay, we're in Venice, we're in Venezia, we might as well try the spritz, you know? But anyway, for the cicchetti, they're basically little slices of bread called crostini, and they have like different toppings. So we ordered 4 different types. We got a creamed codfish, which is called bacalà mantecato, and then sarde and sour, which is sardines with like pickled onions and veggies, and then pulpo, which is octopus, and one with a little prosciutto. Anyway, they were so yummy. I honestly wish we ate more of these during our trip because they are seriously so underrated. The vibe was really fun. Like, it's so casual, it's so low stakes. Like, you literally can just go in, order a few cicchetti, and then talk with your friends and just enjoy the afternoon.
It started raining, so now we have our little umbrella. We're on our way to dinner with John's mom. Yay! All the umbrellas are out. Everyone's taking cover. We just checked out and we're gonna go to a cafe. I lost my voice. So busy in here. Literally, I don't even know what I want. These look so good. Of course, I gotta get a pistachio. Also, John really likes these ones. I don't know. Okay, guys, we are currently sat at the cafe. I got a cappuccino. John got a cafe latte.
Orange juice.
Which is fire. Fresh pressed. It's so good. It has like the pulp in it and everything. And then we got some pastries here. I don't know what kind of fruit that is, but it's like shortbread jam, chantilly cream puff, pistachio cream puff, and the chocolate mousse. Yes. Everything looks so good. Let's drink. Cheers. Pistachio cream puff, my favorite. Wait, I need to take another photo. She's just so perfect. I am gonna miss this country.
We're not leaving. We're not leaving.
Look at all the pistachios on top. Cheers. Bon appetito. Girl, I can't believe I'm carrying my own luggage. Like, hello.